Hi, and welcome to a digital workshop provided to you by the University Writing Center. My name is Allison Hazlett, and I am currently the professional writing coordinator for the center. And today I will be talking to you about cover letters. During this digital workshop, we will be discussing the University Writing Center and the services it provides. We will go over how to create and format a cover letter. Then we will discuss how to put this into practice with a quick outlining activity. And then lastly, we will revisit the main points and discuss resources available to you for further assistance. So, how can the University Writing Center help you? We work with writers during all stages of the writing process, in all disciplines and at all levels. We believe in providing you with the tools to gain confidence in your writing, rather than fixing it for you. It is a collaborative process where we will help you with your writing, but we will not write it for you. So, what kind of projects can you bring to the Writing Center? Simply put, if it has writing, we can help. This includes essays, research papers, or academic projects of any discipline, speeches and outlines. We also help with personal projects such as resumes, cover letters, statements of purpose, grad school applications. We can also help you with your creative writing projects or longer projects such as theses or dissertations. We also assist with e-portfolio projects and other multimedia projects such as PowerPoints, Prezis, or poster presentations. So let's talk about creating a cover letter. Cover letters can appear to be intimidating, but I'm going to attempt to simplify the process for you. So we're going to think math, but with words. All cover letters follow a similar equation. Let's look at it in a little bit more detail. To the left, we have a basic cover letter template that further outlines this equation. So what are the elements that make up a cover letter? First, you have the heading. This will include your name, location, and contact information, such as an email address or a phone number. Then, you will have the date the application is submitted. This is followed up by the business and contact information of the organization where you are applying. You may not have all this information, but include what you do have. You will then have a greeting. If you have a name for your contact, use it. If not, to whom it may concern is a safe bet. Then you will begin your cover letter with an introduction or an opening where you state who you are, what job you're applying for, and provide a brief statement summarizing why you are qualified. If it helps, think the thesis statement of your cover letter. Following your introduction, you will have body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. In these paragraphs, you will provide your reader with what you believe are your strongest claims to the specific position, with body paragraph 1 being your strongest claim and body paragraph 2 being the second strongest claim. This can easily be done by expanding on details from your resume. You will then have a conclusion. This is where you will request an interview, provide your contact information again, and close by telling your reader thank you. Finally, use a signature. Even if it's digital, use a real signature if possible. Here is a simplified breakdown of the equation. Feel free to pause and write this down, or take a photo or screenshot if you like. Now, let's put this equation into action. For this activity, you will be outlining your own cover letter based on what you think are your best qualifications in general. For a cover letter being paired with an application, you will tailor the letter to application details. But for this activity, we're going to keep it simple and be general. I've put the template on the screen again for you to reference as needed. Feel free to pause the video and draft for a few minutes. Remember, this is just to practice the equation. Don't put too much pressure on yourself to make it perfect right now. Now for a quick recap and recommendations regarding cover letters. First, cover letters are not universal documents. Because positions have unique requirements, they are to be created for each individual job application. In addition, your cover letter works with your resume or CV. The resume or CV provides an outline that your cover letter expands upon. You can see our resume and CV video for more information on how to create these documents. Regarding the length of your cover letter, a single page limit is recommended, unless otherwise specified by the job application. And finally, when formatting your cover letter, you don't want to be too broad. Look at the job requirements, create some focus questions based off the qualities they are looking for in a candidate, and answer these questions in your letter. Now I'm going to discuss some resources that are available to you as MTSU students. First is LinkedIn Learning. This is a great tool provided to you for free through MTSU. Through LinkedIn Learning, you have access to additional cover letter tutorial videos, along with tutorials on Microsoft Office, which can further aid you in designing and personalizing your document. Next is the Career Development Center. The Career Development Center at MTSU aids students in their professional development through the PCA Document Review and Document Drop, where students can have their work reviewed and receive feedback. In addition, they also have professional document guides and samples available on their website. And finally is the University Writing Center. As discussed at the beginning, the UWC has sessions that are both 25 and 45 minutes and can be completed either face-to-face or online. They also have guides and samples available on their website and in the center itself. Hopefully this workshop has provided you with a foundational understanding of the formatting and content elements of cover letters. For additional assistance, please contact the University Writing Center and schedule an appointment with a tutor. This can be done through the website, directly on WC Online, by phone, or in the Writing Center located in Walker Library in room 362. Thank you so much for your time.